From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Here's what we were looking at just a few hours ago. We were nice and dry here in central Pennsylvania, but a much different story up north in parts of New England and New York, where they were even seeing some snowflakes falling as well as majority rain here in southern Canada. But how is our evening going to shape up here in central Pennsylvania? Well, we are on the cusp of a 1 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms, but most of that severe activity will be to our north in parts of central New York and northern Pennsylvania. But here is exactly how our evening will shape up. In around dinner time and just after dinner time, you can see a strong line of storms, mostly severe up in parts of New York here, not so much in central Pennsylvania, but you can expect some rain. So make sure you have the umbrella and you have the rain jacket out if you're out and about after dinner tonight. And as we move through the night, we'll have some more scattered showers, and you'll even notice that there are some blips of snow, especially in western New York. Those might push down, and we might see a few snowflakes early Thursday morning, but by midday and mid-afternoon on Thursday, we'll see some scattered clouds, and those clouds will start to build up more, which will foretell of our oncoming rainmaker that will be moving its way across the Midwest and southern Canada mid-morning on Friday. Now, another important thing to watch out for is not just precipitation, but it's also wind speeds here. The gusts will be approaching 30 miles per hour here in just a couple of minutes, almost 40 down in Johnstown, much of the same across the Commonwealth. They'll take a step back tonight, and early Thursday morning will dip below 20 and even below 10 for a little bit, but by mid-morning on Thursday, we'll have rebounded back to the mid-20 miles per hour. So you're definitely going to want those layers because it will feel pretty chilly out there until around mid-afternoon on Thursday, when we'll take a step back to just 17, but still those winds will be howling tomorrow. And as always, let's take a look at our temperatures. We'll still be around 50 degrees on Thursday before we take a jump up to almost 60 on Friday, and we'll officially hit that 60 mark come this Saturday before we take a step back below 60 rather on Sunday. And then for the first time this season, we'll have a high temperature below 40 degrees. We're expecting 37 degrees on Monday. Now a little bit closer now, here is your forecast for tonight. You can expect temperatures 40 degrees with some early clouds, and just a reminder, those winds coming out of the northwest at 20 miles per hour, they are absolutely howling. And here is your forecast for tomorrow. 50 degrees, flat, partly cloudy, with those winds a little bit less, 14 miles per hour, still coming out of the northwest. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. You can see the chance of PM showers on Friday, partly cloudy on Saturday where we're breaking 60, before another chance of showers come this Sunday, and then cooling down to 38 degrees, mostly cloudy on Monday, before we jump up a degree to 39, partly cloudy on Tuesday, before we're back well into the 50s on Wednesday next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your evening.